Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are about to get our nails done. Our appointment is at 11 a.m. and thank God these people called me at 10:30 because I was deep in sleep, like raw in the deepest of these. Went through 2 alarms because I set a 10 o'clock alarm and a 10:15, but they called me 10:30. I'm like, hello. She's like, hi, good morning. I'm like, hello. She's like, just to confirm your appointment at 11. I'm like, uh-huh. She's like, oh, you sound like you just woke up. Uh-huh. This is what my nails are looking like. I think I want a fresh set next time, but I'm gonna wear these sets like one more time. I'm giving this set one more refill. It is fall, so I think I'm gonna go with something red. I'm gonna try red French tips with some gold design. This is like my favorite fall shirt. So throughout this entire season, if you see this shirt multiple 8 times, don't say a word because this is my shit. I bought this from Zara like last year and it is the cutest thing ever. So I need to get me some more cutesy sweatshirtsy. But anyway, child, let's go get this nail done and come home and maybe take a little nap. Okay, let's go.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out of where I live. I keep seeing the leaders doing this. We talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you.
We're about to go to this event, Crave TV premiere of Bria Mac Gets a Life. So we gotta get ready like in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes we gotta put this clothes on because as usual I'm late. Okay. So I'm wearing this brown skirt that I got from Shein. Chev gets ready in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I didn't even try this outfit on. I'm just praying it makes sense. I'm just doing brown, like a sweatshirt, skirt, and then thigh-high boots. Oh, I'm hot. I'm so freaking hot. Okay. You know what we need to add next to the jewelry collection? Some chains. We need some cute gold chunky chains. My Uber is here, child. My Uber is her. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. I need to stop doing this to myself. I need to. Ooh, okay, girl. I'm looking hella cute though. I'm looking hella cute, if I do say so myself. So this is our jewels. And I'm gonna wear this Gucci bag. We're keeping it Gucci. Okay. I need my wallet, my purse powder, my lippy gloss. Okay, we're wearing this bag. Okay, put my shoes on and then I'm out this door. My shoes. Ah, my bag turned over. OMG. I have never worn these shoes before. I am a mess. An absolute mess. Y'all, oh my god, this outfit kind of cute though. It eats. Is that what the kids say? It eats. My outfit goes hard. Oh, my hair. Oh, thank god this is a glueless wig because I would be sweating this week out. Okay. Perfume, we're wearing Good Girl. Spray that baby all around. Bathe in that hoe. Okay, I'm ready for real. Okay, y'all. I'm about to put the camera in my bag and then I'm out of here.
You got to face these people, alright? You face them. You try to face them. You say it loud. And you say it with your chest. Let's go. Braids. Let's go. Power. I am the light headed Monty. And I am a black woman. Who can't dance. I can't work and I can't even like Harlem shake.
But one thing about growing up Jamaican that you can never underestimate is beatings. Who here got beatings growing up? Child searches got grown now, it's okay.
So I started my hair last night. Well, not last night. I started at midday. And I have somewhere to go and my hair is not done. So I need to finish my hair in 2.5 hours. I went to sleep at like 5 a.m. because I just couldn't finish. I refused to pull an all-nighter to finish this hair. So I'm like, you know what? We're gonna get up, not in the morning, but in the afternoon and finish it. The event is at 6. So I'm gonna go for 7. You know, give myself some wiggle room because I can't. So for right now, I'm gonna have me a banana to start off my day. Yeah, I've been slacking with my calorie deficit for the last 2 months between traveling and being unsettled. I haven't really been to the gym that much and I was doing so well. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get back into a routine, into a groove, you know, and get back on track. So banana right now, and then in the next 2.5 hours after I'm finished my hair, I'm gonna eat something else, something light. Banana and vitamins for breakfast. So we got our iron vitamin. There's my iron. Be low AF. My feet be cold. I be tired. All of that. Water's good. Then y'all know, if you've been here, you've been here. B12, I need it. I can't survive without B12. Need it. So put that underneath the tongue. We're ready, we're ready. So I'm gonna do this. Concentrate, finish this video so y'all can see the video too. And try to do my best job, because yesterday it was so much trial and error because it's the first time I was doing knotless and feeding without the assistance of crochet and elastic band. Like, look at my teeth. The B12 child. Okay, let's go. I can tell by the way you love me. Time we begin so. That did make my soul smile. That did make me so. Trust me. Don't be surprised for when I thought it took me some time, but we're done. we are done. It took me some time, but it's looking real cute. Haven't put any mousse in it or anything yet. I'm gonna shower first, do everything that I need to do, and then I'm going to do the end part of the video after I'm done. I think I'm gonna get ready, go to the event, then take then do the final shot when I get back from the event. I am starving. I didn't eat anything after that banana. Dying of hunger. I'm gonna make something quick. I know there's gonna be food at the event, so I'm gonna make a turkey sandwich and then probably eat a bigger meal when I get home because I don't have any time to really make anything right now. Now I'm about to do my makeup and I don't know what I want to do. So it's a Halloween party, but I'm kind of gonna be dressed in a Halloween costume, but not really. All I did is buy a cloak from Party City. So it's like a, is it a cloak, child? I'm talking like I'm Wizard of Waverly Place. It's a cape, it's a red cape, so I thought I would wear a bodysuit, some thigh-high boots, black boots, and this red cape. So I will be Little Red from the hood. You know what I'm saying? That's the that's what we're going for. I kind of wanted to do red lips with it, but do I feel like doing red lips? I haven't done red lips in a long time. But anywho, I'm gonna keep my face neutral and then we're just gonna do red lips. Just prime my face. So I'm trying to get ready in 30 minutes. Can you imagine? My skin feels rough. Oh, my skin feels so rough. I need to exfoliate. I went to Sephora and I bought what's it called? Doctor something something. It's like, I don't even know what it is, but someone recommended it to me for textured skin. So I'm gonna try it, start the treatment tomorrow. It was like $100 and something for it, so I hope it works, you know, because what everything else I've tried, not so great. Like my skin, I feel like my skin looks really nice, especially since I've started doing sunscreen all the time, especially because y'all know with my skin condition I really started like going in with the sunscreen, because I didn't really wear that much sunscreen before, and I realized that yeah, my skin, it looks great, especially in sunlight, like the glow, and there's less hyperpigmentation. I mean, it's still there, but not as much, where my skin just looks amazing, especially when, you know, when you're on a trip, vacation, all these trips that I go on, some days I like to not wear makeup and still look like I woke up like this. And I realized that my skin with just some sunscreen, gorgeous. But not just any sunscreen, it's the what's it called, Glow? It's the everyday single one. I'm gonna put it in the description box. Hopefully I remember to put it in there for you guys. But yeah, I need something for texture. I mean, texture is natural, right? There's nothing wrong with having textured skin. But listen, when your makeup go on with a super smooth canvas, and who doesn't want their skin to be hella smooth? Like, who doesn't? Let's be for real. So I'm gonna try that and see how it goes. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna concentrate, do my makeup, and then show y'all the end result. Because if I keep the camera on, I'll be just talking, yapping. And like I said, we got 30 minutes. So my makeup is done. And it's kind of cute. The red lips. So I do red lips more often. So I'm going with this black bodysuit. Excuse the mess in this room. So there's shit on the floor and everywhere. Okay, so we're doing this black bodysuit. I'm gonna wear a booty heels Or if I wanted to be extra, I could have worn these gold heels and make it be like a superhero type moment. But I'm thinking, then again, I might just, because it's freaking Halloween. But I don't know if I could walk, because I know it's a standing event. So I don't know if I could walk all day in those. So I'm just going to get like an ankle boots. Face is absolutely given. We did our makeup in 35 minutes. So that's a new record. New record. Okay, let me get my shit together because I already requested my Uber. So I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna do this YSL crossbody, which is crazy that I'm choosing tonight to be simple when it's a freaking Halloween party. Like, ma'am, tonight is not the night to be simple. This is a wristlet, a YSL wristlet, but I take these Louis Vuitton gold straps and I just put it around it and turn it into a crossbody. Like so. Okay, what can hold in this bag? I don't know what can fit in here. Child, it's so tight. Because guess what? It's a wristlet. Okay, so I can't wear it crossbody. I have to just wear it on my shoulder. Okay, let me get perfume. What are we wearing tonight? We're gonna mix these two. It's gonna give sweet even though it's nighttime, but love how this Daisy Smell on Me by Marc Jacobs. Divine. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of this. My mom got me this for my birthday. Spray some of this. That one's straight on my scalp. Holy shit. Okay, I need my wallet. Oh, shit. My Uber is here. Make sure that I got my ID. Okay. Am I bringing this lip gloss? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna finish getting ready so we can leave. Okay, so let's go. Oh my god, my washing machine in my background, because my washroom or laundry room is right next to my YouTube recording room, and we're doing laundry. It's a Saturday, okay? But I came to show you guys the finish here. I didn't even show you like the full finish thing the other day, because honestly this is my first time doing this style with this quality of human hair, like top-notch human hair. The other times that I've done like the twists with like the boohoo method, I use the shake and go mixed fiber hair as opposed to human hair because I didn't want to waste it and all of that. But we used Y wigs human. I think this is the water wave hair. I can't remember, but I'm gonna put it in the description down below. But baby, I accidentally used braiding. I used braiding spray on the braids just to like give it a sheen, and forgot that it was full out human hair. So you know when you put oil, heavy oils on human hair, it looks dead, like it looks greasy and dead. So this is like 3-day-old braids. I had to wash it out, so I washed it out this morning with some shampoo, and the curls are revived. They're still a little bit wet, so I'm gonna dry a little bit with my blow dryer. I didn't want to use a blow dryer to dry the whole thing because I didn't want it to be too fuzzy, but I wanted it to have some volume. But the hair is so pretty. Look at my fingers running through it. Oh, shed wear, yes, love it. So I can't wait to post it. I need to edit it and get it approved by the. Oh my god, what is that? I went to the NYX event yesterday, and they gave me a goodie bag, and I told my mom and my sister, yo, y'all can have it. Like, I don't need any more makeup right now, y'all can have it. And the lip gloss is a, what is it, a cool blue.
Right to the garbage it went. Right to the garbage.
What is that?
I don't even know.
Thank God I gave them and I didn't take it for myself, because what the heck is that? Oh, the makeup is makeup in. Like, I need to record a makeup look for you guys. Like, I'm gonna record a makeup look either tomorrow or the next day, because I think I found a pretty decent routine. Like, hello, look at the cheekbones and the blush. It's not too heavy, but it's very pretty and soft. Like, I think I found a routine. Just hopefully I remember it and then record a full video for you guys, because it's beautiful. And also, still haven't used that Dr. blah 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 textured skin thingamajig just yet. I used a resurfacing peel yesterday from Sephora, because I like to like do a resurfacing mask a day before I do like a full face of makeup, just so that my skin gives that super smooth glow. So I need to start that this week, read it properly, how to use it, all that good stuff, and I'm gonna try it. But enough of this talking with y'all. I'm gonna put y'all on pause for 1 second. Need to get out of this room because the sound of the washing machine is killing me, and I need to finish this video so that I could go edit it and put it up expeditiously, because the hair is gorgeous. It's giving me life. I'm obsessed. I am finally done, and I'm starving. Like, I am dying of hunger. But good thing is, my mama came over and cooked me some food. What? Come over and cook me some food. Usually when mommy come over here, we're dead for hunger. I'm like, which parent visits, right, and not cook? How do you come to my house and not cook me some food? You know we be starving over here, and you come over here with a too long on them. That's crazy. So I made sure to tell her 2 days ago, if you're coming over here, you better cook something, especially since she's going out. I want me to do her makeup. So imagine the trade-off. I thought you were coming over here to do this out of goodness of your heart, but me have to do something for you to do something for me. That's crazy. So we get some stewed chicken and rice and peas. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. What time are you going out?
supposed to be down there at 10:30, so I'm going to start getting a shower.
Okay, just let me know when you're ready for my day of makeup.
I'm here.
Yeah, here. No, you didn't tell us how to do your hair. You said makeup. No, you did not. You said, oh, I want you to do my makeup. That's it. That's all you told me. You never said I makeup. We don't remember all of that. You know, I'm gonna drink with a stew chicken here. The door no oil. Allow me to drink with a stew chicken. Do I feel like drinking wine or sugar-free iced tea? I'm gonna go for the iced tea. Zero sugar. What? When that? November, you're treating me? Thank you. November 21. Toronto versus Jamaica. Canada versus. Is that like something important? Like some, huh?
Yeah, qualifiers for
How much for them ticket there if a big event like that? Tanka football. That's some.
the thing is that BMO stadium there forever.
The BMO stadium that downtown.
Outside. Yeah, cow.
Well, that's how usually them games are going. You just carry a jacket.
It's for $50 or something.
How much?
$50 something.
Oh, that's not bad.
No, it's not that expensive.
You can just bring your big coat and your hat and them have soccer scarves. Where you go for Jamaica or Canada? Reggae boys after I know Canadian football team like that. I love it really follow up with the reggae boys either. I don't know what you and her are divided. That's crazy. Gotta taste it before I sit down, you know. Still such a spice to it, but it's not bad.
It's just delicate, Jesus. I'm gonna go upstairs to the charger to get and come back now. Good charger.
Charger for what? Did you bring a charger down here?
I show.
Alright.
I'll tell you something about this. Where did she go?
This should be too good. Should be too seasoned.
Past and the present. Well, I was in the past.
Oh, just get to the point, Loki.
Sylvie, I was in the future, and I saw you.
Britain, and we both know that it hasn't, not anymore. I made sure of that.
Enchant me. You can see what I saw.
I don't want to see it. I want nothing to do with this.
Defense. And if what I saw of you is true, then there's nothing that stands between this world.
I'm being filmed without my consent. I should get a disclosure form to sign or something.
You will be filmed.
Normally you have to sign something before you're recorded.
Okay, but can I just not do your makeup?
I will not be held accountable for what comes out of my mouth.
What do you feel like doing today? I'm your MUA for the day. Hi, I'm Chev, Beats by Chev. How can we assist you today? Let's see what we're working with. The skin is a little bit dry. Yeah, we need to moisturize the skin. Oh my god. You want a light beat? Natural beat?
Natural beat, always natural.
Would you like a beat? A glammed beat? What kind of beat?
Glammed, but not out there.
Not out there. I don't know what that means. It's either you're out there or you're inside. Were you trying to be outside or inside?
Outside.
Because you can't be outside and inside at the same time. You gotta pick one. I can't find my eyebrow pencil. Did you feel anything?
I have not touched anything. I just sat down.
So how was your day?
Good.
Boom, look at that. Full eyebrows. Period. You say period? Did you bring your own makeup or you just expect to use all my stuff?
I just don't have brushes as usual because I didn't.
How so? Where you use the makeup? Your hands?
I use my own brushes, but I can't take them out.
I like your tools, your pink tools. So where you got pink and not a pink paint?
Because I had pink on my hands, but I didn't change my tools.
Oh.
I use just not under my eyes on my highlighter.
Okay, then we can't use
this is my butter. This one you call that?
No, baby, that's a primer, honey.
Ooh, look. That does even on my skin tone when I put on makeup. Okay, I don't know what the hell all of this crap is.
So where are you going?
To the club.
To the club? For real? That's really fine place at Oakville.
I know, right?
How did that even come about?
I think I co-work out. Tell them about it. I co-work out, tell them about it. Wish I'd found it early in the summer when the me and Gabriella would have showed if we can take more often.
Don't open your eyes yet, sweetie.
I was using the detox tea and I think I used too much.
Oh my god, so you're shitty.
Yeah. I woke up
You got a bubble gut.
Friday morning with diarrhea and vomiting.
Oh, vomiting? How much of that stuff you use?
The vomiting, I think, is because, you know, me and that pill. I don't eat enough and I take it.
So, have a full meal until you take your pills, man.
I had to take it in the night and I couldn't have a full meal. I just had yogurt and pecans.
Yogurt for something like that?
I know, it wasn't not enough.
Listen, I took iron day before yesterday and all I had was a banana. I thought I was gonna die. Some of them think you're supposed to eat half a meal and some of them they call for full course.
Full meal.
Okay.
So everything came out.
Oh no, honey. So that means that the pill never work because you threw it
out. That pill is deadly. They should ban it.
What is it for?
Diabetes.
Is that that's not a Ozempic? Is the Ozempic for diabetes? But you say it. Mommy, close the eye. It you say it make you feel
then give
sick.
me then give me another prescription, but I don't feel it. I'm scared.
Because the whole make you feel.
Yeah.
All these celebrities will take it for lose weight. So
because that's the effect that it has.
So them will take all of them side effects with it, or they're just
I
some
don't know.
people?
They take it and it doesn't do anything. Start using, but
She have diabetes too?
No.
So what should I take it for?
Weight loss.
So people actually taking it
Just
for weight loss?
Yeah.
So doctors prescribe Ozempic?
I guess. Majorna, but that's not available in Canada yet.
What the hell?
That one is for weight loss.
So is that healthy? Cause you're not. I just.
It's not gonna take you for a long period of time, I guess. I don't know.
So what you have for the maintain it? That's crazy.
And I never needed it for my diabetes. I asked my doctor for it.
Oh, so hey, you gotta be careful and something like that, cause it new. Just like how them did give people opioids because it was a new pain medicine and then it become something else. I gotta take on the time, please. I beg.
Yeah, I stopped taking it because it made me sick like a dog. I vomited too much with it.
No, fool around with medicine.
I mean, I lost the weight, everything, but Jesus, I felt like crap. I was nauseous all the time, halfway through the meal. I feel like you want to puke.
So basically, my see a news thing in America was that because of Ozempic, the grocery store them I guess people are buying less groceries. I'm not sure that Ozempic are because groceries gone up.
The prices, both of them.
Listen,
the price of groceries
crazy. Where is that? Two things can be true.
Yeah, you don't feel hungry though. You have to force yourself to eat. You can only eat so much because after you start eating for a while.
I'm wondering, is it because is it a suppressant? I'm assuming.
I guess. It made me eat less and I never had the urge to have my wines either because it made me nauseous when I had wine. So it totally changed your whole...
What I'm gonna do is, because I realize that every time now when I go out and even if it's a little drink, like a little cocktail, nothing too strong, I get a nasty headache afterwards. So what I'm gonna start doing is either I'm gonna do mocktail or just don't
drink it
at all. Cause honestly, I'm not like alcohol anymore. Like honestly, like everybody like it like that, cause it's not like my tolerance was high. Like I couldn't drink a lot before, and then I start get my what do you call that? Or they can tolerate it more. I don't know. But I was cool. I was better at it. Let me get better at it with how much I could drink. But then now I realized that you remember comedy stopped drink wine for a long time. And then over the summer when I start back again, it was just like, ugh. This is gross.
So I can take the blue bottle in the fridge now?
No, babes. Just in case. Just in case one day come. I'm a water drink. You always have wine at your house. How about you just mind your business? Let's see my wine. Are you the carry?
Yeah.
Christmas. Not Christmas. Thanksgiving. You brought it over here. I like the wine. The other one. The
Vodka.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's not too strong. It's just refreshing. And I give it too much juicy taste. You know, someone just tastes like juice. Okay, we have the foundation, Miss Mama's. You do know it's more like a skin looking thing, right? The NARS lightweight in here. I used to use light reflecting foundation. But these stop. I don't know why these stop. I think maybe you want something thicker. But I'm using it no. But it's not. I'm using the NARS long wear right now with mix it with this with Huda. But Huda thick. If you want ultimate coverage, but it's so thick you can't wear that in the summer. Feel like you want a mask sometimes. I don't feel heavy now because I just use like a little spray.
That's from Sephora too? It's within the same price as
probably. You know, every foundation range of the same right now. You have to shake it up kind of liquid, just sit down.
I remember about that.
One time that we just own my foundation, right? Because it was running. But then once you have it sitting down properly. Are you can't smile something?
I love this man. Water on my back.
The water on your back, you know what to do it? Concealer so you can be yourself. Highlight. I'm going to put on a mattifying foundation. You use this real technique brush. You can get it at Walmart.
It costs in my eyes.
Walmart, or you can get it at on Amazon. Okay. The real technique is a brush set. Very affordable, man. I'm your day one. You ain't had shit yet. $3 off the top. More. Look up. The professional one of my spend my arm and I but look on that. How we roll. Hey. How we roll. What it is. Yeah. We make another kid. Keep my heart on your rib. If I ever knew I'm with whatever. You know what I mean like that. No one like it when you do it like that. Maybe it's not that. They look bright. How you think they look? So far. More feel to go near.
I don't know.
You see the hand? You see the blush there? You like blush like that? You see that? On the blush out. Hey, stop it. Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, let it call me cash. It's me in the past tense. I ain't no Julie style, this ain't no last dance. Wave at me, feeling inside of me. I can't see it.
along the line.
Oh, you got to touch a woman.
I didn't touch her. So what were you doing for here? I'm gonna be going up Monday night.
Huh?
I have to defrost from summer. I ain't like mommy, she's so consistent.
Oh, would I go?
Yes! For me, if I went on 1 week, I needed a little time to defrost.
But I started strong last time to go to Africa. Oh, come
Really?
I'm saying no, I'm not gonna have fun.
Yeah, every week, mommy. I
did not go last 2 weeks. I did not go last week. I did before.
She's been consistent. The amount of times I call this girl, and she's ready to go. Oh my god, what are you doing?
Social life than we do.
She does. She does.
You guys are good.
She does.
Nobody know outside like you, know.
Outside.
Mom, you're the most outside of all of us. I should be the outside the most because I'm at that age. But I'm inside.
No, you're not.
I wasn't in the summer, but I'm inside now.
You're inside like for 5 years.
Exactly.
Now. Like you never go out. When the last time you go
The
out?
concert, something I should go.
It's been no, but that's not out. That's like a concert. I'm talking about for club dancing.
Not just club, but you're outside. See, I swear you go somewhere the other day.
I probably do. Like restaurants, but you know what I mean?
The restaurant is out.
Yeah, from your outside, your house, it's outside. Outside is outside.
But I come back like at midnight though, not even in the
you
AM.
still leave the outside. You know what your own.
What time you come over?
3 o'clock in the morning. 3 o'clock.
But ain't no one like there to be like, why you come home so late?
But just go park my car in the garage and open the door and go to bed. No answer to nobody.
You gonna give me a little ponytail, Chev, or a little braided
Shanice,
ponytail?
what are you talking about? Man, no, I'm no discussion.
I'm going to drive you to phototherapy on Monday and you give me a nice clear hairstyle.
What are you talking about?
It won't take more than an hour. Like a little braided ponytail to the back.
You know why they created lashes? A prostitute created it.
Oh, that's what's
To
up.
catch the
To
sperm.
catch the sperm.
Oh my god!
The
To
little
catch
boy
the
in her eye.
sperm. Siobhan, there's no way that's the first time you've heard of that.
That's the first time I hear it.
God,
Oh
I
my
swear to
goodness.
God,
What did she call it? Sperm fans.
Oh my god.
Who that? How much years ago this make?
Many years.
Wow, that's crazy.
You wouldn't see through?
How that look?
Just to know, showing the waterworks instantly.
Squeeze your toes. Somebody tell us to
Or
squeeze.
curl them. She meant.
Was that so bad? You squeeze your toes?
I squeeze them hard. Can feel the waterworks coming out.
That was so bad. Just keep blinking and look up. It make it look so nice. You look at some brush my teeth.
Why?
When it's unprofessional
I'm blowing my face.
Unprofessional MUA. You can imagine? When I say the MUA, I'm gonna do that. Blowing your face like that. That would be crazy. You're good, man. You're good. Just you want a Q-tip? Or you're good?
I'm good. I said this thing where the girl said she to go some place. I never for Toronto. And the girl got makeup and she said she asked the girl why should I reuse the brushes.
Who should not wash them? Some of them not wash them, you know.
And she have a whole breakout, a whole.
Oh no, honey. I'm not really fast with people. Some Patrick Star. They said no sweating tonight, poo. You can't get too much. A little bit. For preserve it. Okay, get some mascara. Look up, sweetie. Look up. Not gonna be too much.
Finesse it.
I don't know what XOXO to do with it. I can do a hot comb it and flat iron it. Cause you know we may go curl this. Cause you're not stressing me out today. I'm supposed to have some dry shampoo. What it is, ho? What's up? Hey, where my lip gloss went? Somebody stole my shit. Was it you?
You can't say no like your mother? Jesus Christ, I thought I could get look like a booba.
I do not look like my mother.
You look like your mother.
I don't.
You look like your mama, child.
I don't think I do. That's your phone. People are calling. Let me see.
Oh. Oh, what's up? Hola, ¿cómo está?
Hola amiga, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, bien.
Oye, es que te quería preguntar. Bueno, si conoces ¿Algún lugar así como para ir a bailar?
Música de Jamaica, no sé. Le puede preguntar, pero Mississauga no es muy bueno.
Ah, le preguntas y me avisas.
Sí.
Ok.
Ese no es mucho mal, pero no es muy bueno tampoco.
Bueno, me avisas.
Sí, yo te digo, te voy a preguntar. Ok. Hablamos.
Ok, va.
Chao.
What am I supposed to do now? What am I supposed to do?
So
What
I
am I supposed to do?
need you to finish it up. So right here at the hairline,
Yeah.
it look too severe, so I want you like to
I'm
lay it
gonna
down.
tight something there, spray starch on
And
it.
just fluff it up to look. Spray starch.
I need a wig band. I'll be back.
Girl all over the globe wanna up me, you understand?
Oh yeah, I see that big car, the one lady left in the market.
Drift, hey! Take a picture.
Learn dances. To the right first.
What's nice lady? It's a OOTD outfit of the day.
Outfit of the day. Nudes. Fall. Inspired. And my fragrance is Valentino Buon Aroma.
Okay, but where's the shirt from? The shorts from? The bag? Come
the
on.
shirt and shorts are both from Winners. They are Winners finds. Yes.
Very classy.
And my YSL bag.
Yeah. What you wearing on the feet?
And my feet, I will be, even though it's cold outside, those don't get cold. So we're wearing spring heels.
Spring heels
Yep.
for the fall. Okay, mamas. They look nice. They look fabulous.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
I'll see you later. I need to stop by the ATM to get cash. Oh.
Enjoy yourself while I stay at home
Boo.
and edit.
You eat the food? How was it?
It was good.
Spicy but good, right?
It wasn't as spicy.
How
Was
did
it like
Kimba
a?
react?
Was it like quick to it? Them claim same in bite of pepper.
Bye. Oh. Did you hear me?
I heard you. Anyways, Shaw, I'm feel tired. That's it for me. She needs to put on my shoe. Yeah?
Is my red coat I carry? This is fine, right?
She needs my shoe. Shani is. Shani is.
I bought my red coat. It's fine?
Yeah, why wouldn't it be fine?
Okay.
Girl,
Later, ladies.
later. See you tomorrow.
Wait, hold up.
Shani is. Look for your.
Wait. Somebody here before the shoes gonna crack. Wait.
You are childish.
Period.
Take my shit off. Your plate on. Nobody told you to put my shoe on.
Get the.
Your foot, you know you have a big ass ankle. I put my shit on. Anyways, y'all, it has been a tiring 2 days.
Where's the old lady glasses?
Her glasses? She's wearing glasses to the club? Girl.
We should see them drink prices, I guess.
This is she need to the drinks. Now she taking her glasses, honey. Not the glasses. Anyways, y'all, this is the end of the vlog. Yeah, I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, comment down below, all that good stuff. Let's interact with each other. Let me know what you think about this video, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at Chev. And I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. Go and big up on yourself. Bye, guys. Mwah.
Bye.